Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes. Earnings are not guaranteed and depend on effort, location, and availability of surveys. Let me explain the process.
Are you over 50 and want a simple way to earn extra income from home? This will help you. Many people are tired of scams and complicated systems. Today, I'll show you a simple method that works step by step. This is Survey, a simple system where you share your opinion and get paid for it. Each survey takes just a few minutes to complete. Let's start now by completing your first one. Pick a survey and click on Get Started. The first few questions are called profiling questions. Carefully read through it and answer truthfully. Afterwards, you will be directed to the main survey, consisting of a mix of text-based and video-related questions in some cases. Give honest, thoughtful answers in your own words. Type in the following code in the text box and drag the required number into the square box. What survey platforms do encourage reading questions carefully, taking the time needed, not rushing, being consistent across answers? This increases your chances of qualifying for more surveys. Also, be careful. Many fake sites promise huge amounts. Stick to simple, realistic platforms that pay gradually. Most legit survey companies want your opinion, not an AI's, because they're paying for human thoughts, experiences, and demographics. AI answers pollute their data. Consequences: many survey companies have detection tools now. If you use ChatGPT to answer, you risk being flagged, rejected, or banned without pay.
A video survey is market research where you watch a video, ad, or concept, then answer questions about your reaction. Make sure so your volume is turned up. Take note of the brand, company taste. Brands run video survey to test ads before spending money to air them publicly. The goal is to see if the video grabs attention, makes sense, and persuades people. The flow is simple. You watch the video, then immediately give feedback on what you saw and felt. What to take note of while watching. Brand: pay attention to who the ad is for. Notice if the logo or brand name appears early, late, or at all. Brands need to know if people actually remember who made the ad. Because forgotten branding equals wasted ad spend. Main message: figure out the one. Key thing the video is trying to tell you. Is it announcing a new product, a discount, a feature, or trying to fix a reputation? If you can't explain the point in one sentence after watching, the ad likely isn't clear. Purpose of the video: ask yourself what the company wants this ad to do. Common purposes are launching something new, building brand image, driving immediate sales, solving a misconception, or making people feel something about the brand. The purpose shapes what they'll ask you later. Emotion and tone. Notice how it makes you feel and what style they used. Funny, emotional, serious, weird, inspiring. Brands test this because emotion drives buying decisions. Clarity. Was the story easy to follow or confusing? If you had to rewatch to understand it, that's valuable feedback. Call to action. Did they tell you what to do next? Like shop now. Learn more. Was it obvious a missing or weak CTA means lost customers? Uniqueness. Ask if you've seen ads like this before, if it feels generic. Product focus. Did you actually see the product clearly? Did it look good? Ads that hide the product don't sell product. Questions you'll usually get afterward. They'll test recall by asking what brand and product you saw. They'll check message comprehension with what was the main idea. They'll measure emotion with scales like boring to exciting. They'll ask purchase intent. How likely are you to buy after watching? And they'll ask open-ended questions like what you liked, disliked, and would change. Tips for answering well. Watch it once without pausing unless they say otherwise. They want first impressions. Give gut reactions, not what you think they want to hear. Be specific instead of saying, "It was bad," saying, "The music was too loud at the end and I missed the price." This actually helps them fix it and be honest. Trashing a bad ad in testing saves the company from launching a flop. Companies do this to avoid expensive mistakes. Pick the best version of an ad and make sure the message works before paying for airtime. While rewatching, pay attention to your reactions. Notice how you feel at different moments in the video. Notice moments when you feel interested, confused, bored, excited, amused, or annoyed, and respond clicking on emoji. Enjoyment rating. On a scale of 1 to 5, how much did you enjoy this ad? 1 equals did not enjoy at all, 2 equals did not enjoy, 3 neutral enjoyed, 5 equals enjoyed it a lot. Important tips. There are no right or wrong answers. They want your genuine opinion. Watch in a quiet place where you can focus. Describe the ad in your own words as if you're recapping it for a friend. Include what's happening, what's shown, what's said, and how everything fits together. State the attributes that you think communicated about the brand from the options listed below. Rate on a scale 1 to 5. How clearly the ad communicate the following message listed. Indicate what you like about the advert and tick the box if you have nothing to say. Indicate what you dislike about the advert and tick the box if you have nothing to say. Include how well the brand delivers the main message using the scale 1, Notwell ATL 2, Notwell 3, Neutral 4, Well 5, Very well. State the extent the ad tell you something, new on a scale 1 to 5. State if there's anything that you think people will find offensive, unpleasant, or disturbing about the ad. Describe the visual, audio, people, or characters that made the brand unique. Take a moment to review the emoji at the bottom of the video before pressing play.
And click them to express your reaction to what is being shown.
Faces turning familiar, familiar turning into the usual. That coworker who turns a shift into a friendship. And along the way, you realize this place can take you further. Because at Tim's, it's not just a job. It's the first step into what comes next.
Read through their questions and click on the options listed below. After you successfully complete a survey, here's what typically happens next.
Confirmation screen. Thank you. Your response has been submitted. This means the system recorded your answers. Completion code redirect. Many research panels gives you a code or auto redirect you back to the platform.
That's how they know you finished, so you get paid. Next steps message. Some might say, you'll be contacted if you qualify for follow-ups, or payment will be processed within X days. What happens behind the scenes? 1. Data validation. The survey platform checks your answers. They look for speeders, straightliners, failed attention checks, or bots. If you pass, your response is marked complete and approved. Quality review. Some companies manually review open-ended answers. If you wrote gibberish or used ChatGPT when told not to, they can reject it. You get logged. Your user ID is tied to completed, so you don't get the same survey twice. Payment and rewards. Instant to 7 days. PayPal, bank, gift cards, points. Unpaid feedback. No payment, just a thank you. Note: if you fail an attention check or get flagged, payment can be withheld. Legit panels will usually tell you why. What the company does with your answers. 1. Aggregation. Your answers get combined with hundreds or thousands of others. No one cares what you alone said. They want patterns. Analysis. Researchers look for trends. 60% didn't recall the brand. Reporting. They make charts, plus insights to give the client. Example. Change the ending. Because 40% were confused at 0.25. Decisions. Based on results, the brand might edit the ad, run it as is, or test a new version. Your individual data is usually anonymized. Companies care about the group, not you personally. What you should do after finishing. If there's a code, protects you if payment doesn't track. Check your email for follow-ups or payment confirmation. Don't take the same survey twice from different links. That gets you banned. Wait out the review period before contacting support about missing pay. Treat every survey like it matters, because to the brands behind it, it does. You can invite friends to earn more using your invite link. You both receive a reward point when your friend earns a silver badge. Once you reach survey threshold, you can withdraw your earnings. There's also opportunity for you to play games to earn points, and you can also explore available options. Click on the menu button to view your dashboard, points, payout, leadership levels, and invite links. Click on Settings to check your profile, email preference, password, phone number, address, and delete account options. If this helped you, avoid a rejected survey or missing payment, hit that like button. And if you're serious about making consistent money with surveys, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I post new survey strategies every week to help you earn and avoid scams.